Ringworm is a contagious skin infection. It can spread in the other parts of your skin by touch. Some people use baking soda to get rid of ringworm. But is baking soda a good remedy? Does it work? In this video we will review whether or not baking soda is good for ringworm relief. And if it is effective, then how to use it for best results. So stay tuned to the end. Interestingly, ringworm is not a worm or any type of living parasite. It is a fungal infection caused by a fungus called tinea. It lives on the dead tissues of skin, including your nails and hair. Tinea causes a ring-shaped red, scaly, itchy patch on your skin. That is why the infected patch of skin is popularly known as ringworm. There are a number of home remedies and over-the-counter products for treating it. One such remedy for ringworm is baking soda. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is not something that your doctor will recommend for ringworm, but it is a traditional folk remedy that works according to those who have used it. There is a lot of anecdotal evidence on its effectiveness. Even scientific studies have found its antifungal capabilities. A 2013 study published in the journal Mycopathologia found baking soda to be effective against fungal infections in the lab tests. Other studies have also found it useful against fungal infections. But there is no direct study done yet, which proves that baking soda is good for ringworm. Until then, if you believe in traditional home remedies, then you can try it out. If you have only a small area of the skin affected by ringworm, rash experimenting may not be too risky. Baking soda draws water from the skin. This reduction in moisture kills fungus. Fungus needs a moist environment to survive and grow. It is simple to use. Take a tablespoon of baking soda, add some water to make a thick paste. Wash your ringworm affected skin area with disinfectant soap and dab it dry. Apply the thick paste of baking soda on the ringworm and let it dry. Repeat it 2 to 3 times daily. It usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks for the ringworm to completely disappear from your skin. If you don't see any progress in healing within a week, then try other remedies or consult a doctor. Bottom line is, baking soda may help with ringworm. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.